Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook birthday notification if it's not working. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if Facebook right here has disabled birthday notifications internally, well, you will not receive alerts regardless of your phone settings. So all you can do to fix that is just by going to the navigation bar right here and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go ahead and tap on Settings. And then in here, go ahead and find the Preferences section right here, and then go ahead and find Notifications. Okay, right here. So tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on Birthdays right here. So tap on it and make sure that everything is allowed. Allow notifications from Facebook, as well as push notifications right here when you swipe down, as well as email if you want to, and as well as SMS. That's basically it. Now, if you have these things enabled, but still not receiving things or birthday notifications, well, your phone's operating system might be blocking Facebook notifications. So make sure, swipe up, go ahead and find the Facebook app, tap and hold on to it. If you're using Android, tap on the information icon and make sure that notifications right here is allowed. Okay. Now, when you go ahead and scroll down and find notification categories, make sure that this one is allowed as well. Okay. And most specifically, birthdays. And after that, you should be good to go. And by the way, for iPhone, just go ahead over to Settings, then Notifications. And after that, just find Facebook. Toggle it on as well. And ensure banners, sounds, and badges are fully enabled. And that is how you fix birthday notifications if it's not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.